皆さん、こんにちは。日本語 with ミツへようこそ。今日は日本のユーモアについてもっと深く話します。どうやって日本語で面白くなるの？日本のロースト文化ってあるの？そして、東京 vs 関係の笑いバトル。Part 1 How to sound funny in Japanese. Japanese humor often uses exaggeration, reactions, timing, and wordplay. One reaction. Humor. Riben yu yabai, romaji yabai. English. OMG. That's crazy. Example. Riben yu sore, yabakunai. Romaji sore yabakunai. English. Isn't that crazy? 2. The power of timing. Pause equals comedy. Example. Riben yu e. Sorebonki. Romaji e. Sorehonki. English. Wait. Are you serious? The pause makes it funny. 3. Funny Kansai-style responses. Example. Riben yu nande yanen. Romaji nande yanen. Fun playful exaggeration. Example. Nihongo kono 3時間しか寝てない。もう死ぬ。Romaji kinu 3時間しか寝てない。もう死ぬ。English. I only slept 3 hours. I'm basically dying. Exaggeration equals humor. Viewer practice. Say this dramatically. Manzai. Romaji maji de. English. Seriously. Part 2. Japanese roast culture. Roasting exists, but it's softer. It's called ijiru, playful teasing. Example roast. Friend late again. Riben yu matachake, puro dane. Romaji matachekoku, puro dane. English late again? You're a professional. Playful tone matters. Another example. Friend bad at games. Riben yu shado sugi janai? Romaji heta sugi janai? English, aren't you terrible at this? Friends only. Important. Japanese roasts are usually friendly, light, and not aggressive. Part 3. Psychology of Japanese humor. Why Japanese humor feels different. Horse harmony culture. Japan values he, wa, farce harmony. So humor avoids harsh conflict. 2. Embarrassment. Humor. Many jokes are about awkward moments. Example. Spilling a drink in public. Everyone laughs. 3. Relatable everyday situations. Example. Riben yu man yuen densha tsurai. Romaji manin densha tsurai. English crowded trains are painful. Everyone relates. Part 4. Tokyo versus Kansai dialect battle. This is a fun comparison segment. Phrase 1. Really? Tokyo. Bendang. Hontu. Kansai. Honma. Phrase 2. That's bad. Tokyo. Dame. Kansai. Akan. Phrase 3. What are you doing? Tokyo. Hishiteru no? Romaji nani shiteru no? Kansai. Ani shiten no? Romaji nani shiten no? Famous Kansai. Joke. Nande yanen? Romaji nande yanen? English, come on. That makes no sense. Mini comedy scene. Tokyo person. Sore ben janai? Romaji sore hen janai? English, isn't that weird? Kansai person. Nande yanen? Romaji nande yanen? English, what are you talking about? Quiz time. 1 Kansai word for really. Answer. Honma. 2. What is playful teasing called? Answer. Ijiru. 3 famous tsukomi phrase. Answer. Nande yanen. Nihon no warai wo shiru to, Nihongo ga motto tanoshiku narimasu. When you understand Japanese humor, Japanese becomes even more fun. あなたは東京派？それとも関係派？コメントで教えてね。